Good morning all of you. In this video I give you English classwork of the chapter 5 The Summit Within. It is written by HPS Aluwalia. Synonyms: surged, arose suddenly and intensely. Jubilant, very happy because of success. Tinge, trace or shade. Exhausted, fatigue, tiredness. Defied, frustrated, resisted. Ascent, climb. Ordeals, painful experiences. Synonym number 8, panorama, view of a wide area. Expedition, a military journey. Endurance, tolerance. Persistence, refuse to give up. Refuse to give up. Mystical, spiritual. Ennobling, giving a noble rank or title. Giving a noble rank or title. Akin, adjective, similar or close. Remote, adjective, at a distance, disconnected. Next, antonyms: remote, attached or connected. Jubilant, despondent, depressed. Jubilant, despondent or depressed. Ascent, descent. Down, defied, complied with. Followed or obeyed. Defied, complied with, followed, obeyed. Endurance, endurance, intolerance. Firm, feeble, weak. Next, questions and answers. Question number 1. What are the 3 qualities that played a major role in author's climb? Answer: the 3 qualities that ensured the success of the author were endurance, persistence, and willpower. The 3 qualities that ensured the success of the author were endurance, persistence, and willpower. Next, question number 2. Why did author say that instead of being jubilant, there was a tinge of sadness? Question once again. Why did author say that instead of being jubilant, there was a tinge of sadness? Answer: he said that instead of being jubilant, there was a tinge of sadness because he had already done the ultimate in climbing and there would be nothing higher to climb as all roads hereafter would lead down. His next question number 3. How was the experience of author when he climbed mountains? Question once again. How was the experience of author when he climbed mountains? Answer: by climbing the summit of Everest, the author was overwhelmed by a deep sense of joy and thankfulness. It was a joy which lasted a lifetime. The experience changed him completely. Next, question number 4. This is the last question. What were the symbols of reverence left by members of the team on Everest? Answer: the author left on Everest a picture of Guru Nanak. Rawat left a picture of Goddess Durga. Foodorji left a relic of the Buddha. Edmund Hillary had buried a cross under the rock. All these were symbols of reverence for God. Buried, the spelling is Buried. Write these notes in your English classwork very neatly and beautifully. Okay, thank you.